The operations of the Macon Water Authority have come a long way from its origin in the late 1800s when water was supplied from the wells of individual citizens. Since its inception, the authority has evolved into a highly efficient and sophisticated utility that provides valuable services to meet the demands of an increasing population. The value of Macon's water is reflected not only in its availability, accessibility, and capacity, but also in its quality and affordability. Thanks to visionary leadership and fiscally responsible management throughout its history, the authority is poised to play a leading role in the story of this community's future that is yet to be told.
We're in great shape. We got guaranteed water we can furnish for Middle Georgia 12 months out of the year because of the capacity in the reservoir. We could double our withdrawals and still satisfy everybody.
The one thing the U.S. is blessed with is a lot of land, so companies have a lot of choices when it comes to choosing a location. Macon comes up quite frequently because of the good access to the port, quick access to Atlanta, but also an abundant water supply and good water and sewer infrastructure. That's very unique. There are only a few places in the state that have that type of water availability.
That's the main thing that we have, sewer capacity and water capacity. All anybody wants to buy. We're working at every angle you can work to increase your capacity.
The Macon Water Authority is unique from most other water and sewer utilities in that we supply funding to a revolving fund that is used to acquire land and provide infrastructure for industrial parks.
We understand the value of growth, and the Water Authority does so as well because they've invested their resources into the community from an economic development standpoint. We value and understand the need for the utilities to get involved in economic development because it pays huge dividends, not only immediately, but way down the road.
The Macon Water Authority assists the community in attracting businesses and industry. We may benefit directly because that industry is a large water customer, or indirectly because of the jobs that are created and the residents in our community that then become our customers.
Typically when companies come to us, they want to see sites that have the type of infrastructure that they need right there ready to go. In those types of instances, and you know, this is quite frequent, Macon comes up on the radar screen as being a top candidate for those types of projects.
We got ourselves in a unique position because of leadership and investment, both in industrial parks and our infrastructure. We're involved in putting in the water, sewer, the roads, curb, and the gutter, everything that's needed for the industrial park. Our funding provides the vehicle to accomplish that. If you're a business and you're considering locating here, you can be certain that we can meet your needs today and into the future. Water is not going to be an issue for us. We're set for decades, if not longer.
It's a great team effort there in Macon with the Development Authority as well as the Water Authority. It's good to bring all the resources together, so that relationship has always been great.
The economic development team in Macon is excellent to work with, and that makes a big difference when you're taking a company to a community that you know is going to be professional and is going to have the answers to the questions that they're looking for. That's very important to us.
Unlike a growing number of cities that are facing water shortages of unprecedented proportions, Macon is poised to comfortably meet present and future needs of its citizens and businesses, and to also attract new growth with confidence. Because of visionary leadership and prudent management of its resources, the Macon Water Authority can assure an uninterrupted supply of some of the cleanest, best tasting, and most affordable water in the nation.